Hi, this is Monty Hipsch, the Google Guru, and today I want to talk to you about landing pages. And landing pages are special websites you put on your, special pages you put on your website to solve a particular problem. They're not about your goods, they're not about your services, they're a solution to a problem. And I'm going to use our own case study here. If somebody searches for Google AdWords management, you see in these ads here, our ad right here for our AdWords management service, right? And when you click on that ad, you end up at a landing page. So you'll see here's the Aussie Web Conversion website, but we've created a good Google AdWords management landing page. And the key elements of this page are they provide a solution to the problem. So if you're looking for AdWords management, that's your problem, you land on this page. And it's got an embedded video that's done with an animation. I won't tell you about all the audio, but it goes through an animation that follows our video process of state the problem, exaggerate the problem, state the solution, provide social proof, and tell them what you want to do. But that's another video. I'll save the link to that below. Anyway, the key elements of the landing page is that they have to be mobile friendly because lots of people are doing mobile searches. They have to have all your information above the fold, and while we do have some more words and some other stuff below the fold, everything about AdWords management is here above the fold. It also passes what I call the squint test, which is you squint your eyes at the screen and the call to action is the thing that stands out the most. And in this case, it's either ring our phone number or fill out the form and hit send message. Those are the key elements, right? So the landing page above the fold solves the problem. You can use a number of different things here. This video is a screen capture video, so you're seeing stuff on my screen as I go through it, and I'm just talking over it. This video happens to be an animated narrative. Here's another example we did for a client where they've got a situation, but you'll see the similarity in design. Here with the squint test, you see the submit, this is for social proof, and here's the video that tells the whole story. So these processes really, really work. And in fact, the statistics for professional service firms, those that are selling services rather than e-commerce sites, are that a person will go to 4 different sites before they pick somebody, but with a video, they'll only go to 1.3. So these are very, very powerful tools that you can use and that you must use, so that you go from a search query, which Google says that's the search query. They want congruency between that and the ad text and then the page in your website. So, I mean, don't get me wrong, the Aussie Web website has other services. Here's its standard homepage. It does search engine optimization, it does audits, does conversion, does a bunch of stuff. But we're replying to a singular problem, which is the person that's looking for AdWords management. So we've created a separate page. We call that a landing page. In fact, these have proved so successful, Google is now making some offers to help subsidize the creation of landing pages because they know that they make the AdWords expense more effective in converting into inquiries and ultimately sales. If you'd like to find out more about that, just fill in our form here or give us a ring and we're happy to talk to you about it. But landing pages are the answer for singular solutions to singular problems. Not a place to brag about your goods and services, not a place to brag about your products, but to talk about the problem that you're solving. Landing pages is the way to go. They've worked for us for years, and they're very, very successful. If you want to talk more about it, just ring our 1-300 number or fill in the form. Happy to help you. Thanks, Monty Hipsch, the Google Guru.